Hello friends, today let us discuss about the for loop in the C programming language. The most popular looping instruction is the for loop. The for allows us to specify three things about a loop in a single line. First one is setting a loop counter to an initial value, then testing the loop counter to determine whether its value has reached the number of repetitions desired, then increasing the value of loop counter each time the program segment within the loop has been executed. The general form of for statement is shown above. In order to write the for loop, first we have to write for, then we have to open the braces. First we have to initialize the counter. Then it should be separated by a semicolon. Then we should test the counter. Then after separating by a semicolon, we have to increment the counter. Then opening the curly braces, we have to write the conditions or the statements which have to be executed under the for loop. In order to illustrate the for loop, let us write a C program to print the multiplication table of the number entered by the user. The table should get displayed in the following form. For example, if we want to print the multiplication table of 29, it should get printed as 29 into 1 equal to 29. Then in the next line, 29 into 2 equal to 58. Then in the next line, 29 into 3 equal to the number, and so on. We already know in order to write the C program, first we have to include the standard input-output library function using the #include directory. Then in the main function, I am initializing the variable I, j and n. And in the printf function, I am writing, that is, I am asking the user to enter the number for which the multiplication table has to be displayed. Then in the scanf function, I am reading the input entered by the user and storing that value in the integer named j. For storing the number entered by the user in the integer j, I am using the AND symbol, that is ampersand symbol, in the scanf function, that is AND j, so that the number entered by the user will be stored in the memory location of j. Again, in the printf function, I am asking the user to enter the number till which he wants the multiplication table. That is, we will be writing the multiplication table like 2 into 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, till 2 10s are 20. Likewise, till how much number he wants the multiplication table. Now I am storing the number entered by the user in the variable name n using the scanf function. In the printf function, I am writing multiplication table of the number entered by the user till the number entered by the user. Now I am going to write the for loop. In the for loop, first I am initializing the I variable to 1. After semicolon, I am using the counter variable, that is test counter. I am testing whether the I is less than or equal to n, that is the number entered by the user till which he wants the multiplication table. Then I am incrementing the I variable. In the body of the for loop, in the printf function, I am printing %d into %d equal to %d /n for printing it in a new line, comma j variable, comma I variable, comma I into j. That is the result of the multiplication of I and j. Now I am going to execute this program. It is asking me to enter the number for which we want the multiplication table. I am entering 78. Then enter the number till which the multiplication table has to be displayed. I am entering 20. Now it is showing the multiplication table of 78 till 20. Now let us examine how the for statement gets executed. When the for statement is executed for the first time, the value of I variable is set to an initial value 1. Now the condition I less than equal to n is tested. Since variable I is 1, the condition is satisfied and the body of the loop is executed for the first time. Upon reaching the closing brace of for, control is sent back to the for statement where the value of I gets incremented by 1. Again, the test is performed to check whether the new value of I exceeds n. If the value of I is less than or equal to n, the statements within the braces of for are executed again. The body of the for loop continues to get executed till I does not exceed the final value n. When the variable I reaches the value greater than n, the control exits from the loop and is transferred to the statement immediately after the body of for. It is important to note that the initialization, testing and incrementation part of a for loop can be replaced by any valid expression. The expression for I equal to 10, I less than equal to 10, I minus minus is also a valid expression. Then the expression for I less than 10 semicolon j equal to 5 semicolon j equal to 0 is also an valid expression. Thus, the following for loops are perfectly okay. If you like this video, please like, share and comment about this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Good Life. Thank you for watching and happy learning. I will see you in the next video.